Alright, so this is a 2020 Highlander replacing the radio to the repair manual. And once you take all this crap off, air vent, the switches down here, and once you take the instrument cluster off and pull this all off here, but I found another way to get to it is you'll have it cover here. And if you look down inside here, you'll have a total of 4 bolts, one there, one back here. If you look over here, one there, and one back here. Get that loose, then basically this whole panel is just kind of held in by clips. And then you'll have a bunch of connectors for your airbag lights and all this other stuff. It wanted it to come out with the switch here, but I was able to take the whole trim panel off without having to take the whole car apart, because like I said online, and once you take all this crap off, just to get a silly radio off. Alright, so basically here's the radio upside down. This is where your air vent be at. But basically I'm trying to be careful with this. You'll have total 4 Phillips head you want to remove, and an 8mm I believe they are. You go ahead and remove those 2, then the radio will come out. Alright, so I got it all put back together. This is a new radio unit. Everything plugged back in. You got the climate control, the airbag lights working on it. I don't have everything zipped down just yet, but I like to make sure that it actually works before I do anything. So we also know climate works. Turn it off. Let's see. Our customer's complaint was the Intune would not update, even though you update it, it still says it's not updated. I don't have no airbag lights. So that's a good sign because I got this plugged in. Climate control all works. Here, turn on headlights. Yep, backlighting works. Backlighting works for that too. Just test out the station. Yep, radio works. Everything works. Now I just gotta zip those 4 bolts in, put the panel on, and put everything else I took off that's not necessary back together. Then I can get it back to the customer. Hopefully this helps you out. Thanks.